Hey everyone, welcome back to an episode of Fast Talk, show of fast food talking faster about it as I fumble over words. And we're gonna wait a minute because I have someone here to help me do today's flavor of the month. Alright, I got it. Hey everyone, welcome back to an episode of Fast Talk, where I review new foods. My name's Eddie Extreme. You got the ice cream? It's your ice cream's looking a little melted there, bud. And we'll be reviewing Reese's Extreme as it's extremely melting. But as today we're taking a look at the Reese's Extreme. Alright, nerd, I'm taking this review over. Obviously I'm not gonna do the flippy thing, because I make a total mess. But it's extremely good. Extremely nutritious. You can't tell people that that's nutritious. It's ice cream. There's maybe like a pinch of protein in there from the peanut butter. Says the man eating a chicken sandwich is 50% soy. Hey, you, get out of my sandwich. My extremely honest thoughts on this are pretty good. I personally do not like the chocolate ice cream. It should be vanilla. If it wasn't extremely melted, it would be a lot better. The peanut butter, extremely good, but extremely regretting later. Yeah. Do you have anything you want to tell them? I'd extremely recommend you checking out Nathan's channel. You find them all on all the extreme social networks. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. I had a variant of Nate. Eddie to the extreme. So that was today's review. Like Eddie said, please consider like, comment, subscribing on the video, checking out all the socials. I'll see you all later.